Hi, it's past 5 at wala ng mga estudyante. Kamusta ka? Ayan na naman ang bagyo at ang dilim-dilim na naman ng langit. But there is this universal truth that we all know na the sun still exists at darating din ang time na sisikat at sisikat pa rin ang araw. So same thing sa ating buhay, anuman yung pain na nararanasan natin or anuman yung pagdaanan natin, we know the hope. May hope tayo that dadating ang time na lilipas din ang lahat. Ang lahat ay lumilipas at there's a rainbow always after the rain. So padayon lang, huwag kang susuko, lilipas din ang lahat. At sabi nga, when we do not see God's hand, trust His heart. The heart of God is always to love us. And Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, plans not to harm you, but to give you hope and a future. So, padayon lang, huwag kang susuko, kaya yan. Bye!